Heavy downpours hit the Greek capital. The authorities are closing schools and banning traffic in several districts of the city. In Athens, the first floors of hundreds of houses went under the water. The streets turned into rivers, in which abandoned cars drowned. The bad weather seriously affected the operation of public transport and rail links. An evacuation was also carried out on the island of Evia, devastated by summer forest fires. Rivers overflowed their banks and flooded houses on the western island of Corfu, and landslides blocked roads. Rescuers also used helicopters to lift trapped people from rooftops. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not known how 2021 will end.